In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x00000190. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you need to do is you need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. How we can do that, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Once you have opened this one, you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. Okay? And once you have done this, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to check for the date and time. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. At these settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the time and language, and go with the date and time. Click in here. And then from here, you need to ensure that it is being set they automatically. So set the time zone automatically as well as they switched here. And then once you are done, you need to close the window and then check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is you need to proceed at the search box here. Please type for PowerShell. After that, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. Click on it, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Okay, so I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. This one, second command, you need to copy and paste it here. Okay, so once you are done with this, restart your PC and check if the error has been resolved. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.